I hope you practiced on our previous lesson because now we're going to do the S sound. First, say the E sound. Then, press the sides of your tongue against the sides of your upper teeth. E. Now press the front part of your tongue slightly toward the back of your upper teeth. Make sure to leave a small gap for air to pass through. Now take in air and release it steadily between the front of your tongue and the back of your upper teeth. And say S, S, S. You got it? Now let's practice. Repeat after me. Saturday, Saturday. Sister, sister. Lesson, lesson. Promise, promise. Sense, sense. We can also use the S sound for some words spelled with C, C-E, S-C, or C-C. For example, city, city. Scent, scent. Pencil, pencil. Ceiling, ceiling. Circle, circle. Face, face. Peace, peace. Office, office. Scent, scent. Scene, scene. Muscle, muscle. Accent, accent. Accessible, accessible. Success, success. We also use the S sound for the letter X when spelled in the middle or at the end. It has the X sound. For example, exercise, exercise. Toxic, toxic. Tuxedo, tuxedo. Next, next. Tax, tax. Box, box. And then we have the unvoiced S. For example, island, island. Aisle, aisle. Debris, debris. Viscount, viscount. Excellent work. High five. Now practice saying success 10 times in a row perfectly. Success, 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 success. So now that we're done here, on to the next video.